So hold on one
You
second.
said May. You said May 9th for 2023.
Yes, Mr. Williams, I have a
Mo.
I have a traffic stop out of February of last year for failing to signal and or observe, and a drove left of center that you pled to in May. So that's one. So that would count as one, Mr. Belli. So it's two tickets, but it was count as one because it's out of the same traffic stop. So that pushes us to his 2021s. So he's got no proof insurance out of Detroit, August 25th of 2021. So to me, reading his record, it looks like he would be eligible in August of this year.
Now those tickets in Detroit, I spoke to 36th District Court. I was locked up and served time for them tickets, but they somehow still there.
Well, Mr. Williams, just it's not that the tickets are unpaid out of Detroit. It's that they hit your record. And so because you've never had a license, it's how many tickets do you have at the time you go in to apply for your license. There's a law that says if you got two within 3 years, you're done. You can't get a license. And you have two within 3 years. And the one that falls off the soonest is in August of 2021 ticket. So that puts us at August of 2024. That's 3 years. Anyway, long story short is there are two things that are working here, because I don't want to keep you on too long. I need you to get some rest, because I can tell you're not feeling all that great. Okay. So you got to take care of Howell and you got to take care of Romulus. All right. So, Mr. Pelly, we can't even get anything done until he takes care of those two. Okay.
Right.
And the hope is that he would be able to go in and get something non-reportable. Yay. He would be able to get something non-reportable so that it doesn't mess up his efforts to get a license. Now, Mr. Williams, the reason that we're even worried about two within three and all that is because of this law that we're trying to get changed anyway. And so, and we're actually pretty far along in getting it changed. So that's why I'm saying I don't want to focus too much on the two within three right now, because we don't even get to that until he clears up Howell and Romulus. So, Mr. Williams, this is the best information I can give you right now. Get a court date in Howell, get a court date in Romulus. Before you go in, talk to Ms. Chappelli so you know what to look for. Or when you go in there, ask for a court-appointed attorney so that you can make sure that you have the least amount of impact on your driving record. Because anything you do that hits your record, even if it's old, if it's something that's old that you plead to now, it hits your record now, not back then, and it could mess up your chance to get a license. Okay.
All right.
So make a court date in Howell, make a court date in Romulus, and then talk to Ms. Chappelli before you have to go into court, and then we can give you some advice on what to look for, what to try to do. In the meantime, I'm going to keep trying to get that other law changed so that instead of August of this year, you maybe can get it sooner.
All right.
Okay. So I can't do anything on Howell and Romulus. You got to do that, but I'm trying to change that law otherwise. Okay.
All right.
But the key for me is you showed up today. I just need an update. I'm going to delay all this. You're not going to have to pay anything on this ticket right now. And I'll give you a break later when we get this license cleared. But it's a big deal that you showed up today and you were sick. That tells me you're a serious guy and you want to get this done.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll bump this out 90 days and we'll get to work on Howell and Romulus. Good luck, Mr. Williams, and feel
All right.
better.
Thank you.
Feel better. Thank you, Your Honor.